Watch any modern drummer live right now and you'll hear fills that start in weird places. That's why they're so hard to follow, because they don't start on the 1. In this lesson, I'll break down 2 fills you can use to make your phrasing sound instantly more modern, and 1 bonus idea to show you just how far you can take this. Simple concept, huge impact. Let's go. The first fill takes a pattern you've heard a million times, but the magic is where it starts, right on beat 4. The pattern is just right, left, snare, rack, floor, floor. Then we move into our inverted doubles from the previous lesson, floor, kick, kick, snare. Play that twice and it brings us right up to beat 3. Now for the second half, we've got an old favorite. If you used to watch my videos a few years ago, you'll recognize this one. It's right, left kick, with only the right hand's accented. The first note is on the floor tom, the rest are all on the snare. We'll finish it with right, left on the snare as accents. That should sound like this. Now let's put those 2 parts together slowly, and then we'll take it up to 120 BPM in a groove. Alright, that's fill 1, starting on beat 4. Now let's see what else those killer modern drummers are doing, shifting it to the and of 4. Our pattern for this is right kick, right, left, kick, kick, as, snare kick, floor, snare, kick, kick, a gospel favorite. We'll play that twice to land cleanly on beat 4. And here's the trick, to start it on the and of 4, we just add 2 kicks right before it begins. That's what gives it that, wait, what the hell was that lick effect that you hear in modern fills. To end it, we'll tag on that inverted doubles chop from modern fills 1. Floor kick, kick, crash. Put it all together and you get kick, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, kick, left. Now, remember that bonus idea I mentioned at the start? This is where that comes in. So you've just learned how to make some wicked, modern-sounding fills in 16th notes, starting on the 4 or starting on the and of 4. Well, guess what? You can use this exact same concept in 16th note triplets too. For our 16th note triplet lick, I've chosen beat 1 as kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick. Beat 2 as right, left, kick. Beat 3 as all singles. And beat 4 as right, left, kick, right, left. But this will work with any 16th note triplet fill you already know. All we're going to do to start it on the 4 is play a paradiddle-diddle on beat 4 of the previous bar. I'll play that for you slow at 60 BPM and then fast, double that at 120 BPM. And of course, if you wanted to start it on the and of 4, just start with the right, left, or any group of 3 you already know. So that's 3 ways to start your fills before the 1. On the 4, the and of 4, and even in 16th note triplets. If you haven't seen Modern Fills 1 yet, that's where this whole idea started. I'll link it right here. Thanks so much for watching, and join the online school waitlist in the description to stay in the loop. And I'll see you in Modern Fills 3, not ending fills on the 1.